Today we will discuss the centroid of a triangle. Learning outcomes. You will able to define the centroid of a triangle and you will able to locate a centroid of acute, obtuse and a right triangle. Now first of all see what is a median of a triangle. Median is a line from the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. And the centroid of a triangle is a point of concurrence of median of triangle. Now you see the median of all sides meet at the point G. So G is a centroid of a triangle. Now we will see the centroid of acute, obtuse and a right triangle. First of all, mark 3 points A, B and C. And now join these 3 points A, B and C to form a triangle. Now see what is a median? Median is a line from the vertex to the midpoint of a opposite side. Now first of all we find the midpoint of side AB, BC and AC. So for the midpoint B and C, the D is the midpoint of BC, and for AC the midpoint is E, and for midpoint of AB it's F. Now we'll join A with D. This is your first median, B with E, this is your second median, and C with F, this is your third median. Now this is an acute triangle. The median of this acute triangle lie inside the triangle. We'll see this is a right triangle. Right triangle median also lie inside the triangle, and this is a obtuse angle triangle, and here the median also lied inside the triangle. So we have concluded that median of 3 triangles, acute triangle, right triangle and obtuse triangle lie inside the triangle. Thank you so much.